Alrighty, this is going to be an S-7 showing plastic and silicone beads, basically. These are little beads. And then right here we've got some little plastic pellets. This machine is going to be working on a sink dump, so both of these hoppers will empty at the same time into our dual lane standard discharge funnel, and they're going to be mixing together to go into the bucket down here. This S-7 is equipped with a dual lane divided supply hopper. I think for these products in particularly, just because we don't have a ton of it in here, we're only full up to about here with the portions. A little bit higher actually, maybe like right here. But this one particularly is a little denser, and it would definitely, if another bag got added to this, it would weigh down the vibration unit quite a bit, and it would have a little more difficulty propelling this. So to mitigate that, I think some baffles for the supply hoppers should be installed. That way that you would not have any worries about the vibration units running the way that they should. This will actually improve the flow of the product as well, because needless to say, it will be much easier to keep this pan level right where it is at that point. Other than that, since accuracy is such a important part with these types of items here that we're dealing with, I've been able to hone it into about a gram, if not 2 over, but you know, some things just kind of catch a little extra vibration sometimes, and we end up getting a little over. So to mitigate that, a dribble gate would definitely be very well employed and keep the accuracy to its dead-on point. I had just done a few test runs, and currently on the upper lane here, this is the lighter weight that we're running. The target here is 207 grams with a mixed overage of both items being a 2 gram overage. Right now on this registering, I have a 209 grams, and then on this weigh hopper over here, which is denoted on this lower controller, that is exactly the 223 that we are looking for. So without further ado, I'm going to give you quite a few runs here just so you can see it going. Currently we're running about 6 seconds a run. We've got 207 on the top and 223, 224 fluctuating on the bottom. Those were exact. $207, $223. $207, $223. $208, $223. And $207, $223. Those were $207 and $223 again. I've dialed in the accuracy pretty well. One thing that I did do though is that I had to slow things down a little bit. Say like this one here caught a little extra vibration, probably coming from this lane running a little harder, and this guy is up at 212 right now. So again, that dribble gate would help avoid any unwanted overage essentially. And again, we're back to 207 and 223. And we're a little high on the top again at 211, and the bottom is 223. I found that the little silica beads here they're much more free-flowing, and they're more willing to be propelled a little bit more so it was more common to get an overage here. These are very accurate due to their density and the fact that they have a little more difficulty to move. So their ability to be accurate without a dribble gate is actually much higher. And we're in at 208 and 224.